Welcome everybody to our weekly beer tasting with your hosts from Rolling Hops Beer Tours,
Garrett
and Andy, coming at you with an awesome beer today from a particularly interesting craft brewery on the east side of Toronto in one of our favorite neighborhoods, Leslieville. That is the neighborhood, and the brewery itself is a craft brewery. It's about 4 years old now, a brewery called Rorschach. Awesome spot.
We are drinking tonight the Reverie. This is a double IPA, a dreamsicle double IPA as Rorschach likes to call it. And this is one of their flagship craft beers. And essentially what they do with this beer in particular is that they keep the same base consistent throughout, but then they change the flavor profile. The one we're drinking today is Tropical Berry, as you can see from the can color as well as the beer color itself. Definitely has that berry look to it. Almost matches your sweater there, Andy.
That was planned.
So this one's a little different because I think it's much more well balanced than a typical double IPA might be. Rorschach likes to use a number of different ingredients when producing their dreamsicle IPAs. So you're gonna get a whole whack of different fruit purees and actual fruits and things used in the making of the beer specifically. But a couple ingredients I would like to point out that make it a little more well balanced are one mainly being oats. The second ingredient is the use of lactose sugar. Lactose sugar is a great ingredient if you're going to create a very smooth, silky mouth feel, and it adds a little bit of sweetness, which balances out that big bitterness that comes from a double IPA.
So an awesome beer this evening from Rorschach, the double IPA. Such amazing flavors, quite powerful, but really kind of, as you said, Garrett, a well-balanced beer all around. You got it, check out Rorschach Craft Brewery on the east side in one of our favorite neighborhoods, Leslieville. Make sure to check us out for next week's weekly beer tasting. And remember,
craft beer
is here.